Okay, hey my loves, welcome to my channel. Today we are filming this. Let me get my sewing area together, and I want to fix my Serger machine. I was working on this bag here, which was giving me problems, and I don't really think it's the bag. I think it's more of the needle. So we're gonna work on this soon, just not right now. I have to clean my desk and open up my Serger and start cleaning it out, because I had to get a vacuum. This vacuum, you can clean off your keyboard. It shows a doggy something. I don't care about dogs. It does a lot for small places. So with that being said, let's open this up. So let's declutter my area here. This is the pattern for the bag. Some things on the bag I didn't put, like the zipper. I don't want to put a zipper on the bag. So, well, let me take that off. It required a zipper, but I didn't want a zipper on my bag. So this is the piece for the zipper. We'll use it on something else. And also the long strap that goes up, I didn't want that. I wanted just a short strap. And this pattern is from Simplicity. Simplicity S9618. The next bag I make like this will be with jeans. I want to make a jean bag. But right now, let's get this out my way. Where's the pattern bag? Oh, there you go. This here is trash. Where's the trash? There. Zipper. Okay, now this sewing machine, let's unplug it. So, here's my Serger. It's been like gathering the what you call these things here? Oh, it's been gathering the thread, and it wasn't serging correctly. So let's take these off, because we're about to open up this machine. Okay. Let's move you over here. I have my Serger. It's been doing a lot of weird things, so I decided I needed to get in and clean it. Maybe that might be the issue. So we have the handy dandy vacuum, and the vacuum is a mini portable vacuum cleaner. It does a lot. So I took this off of the side here. Now I have my screwdriver so I can go in and open up the bottom. Just to make sure nothing down there is the problem. Because I cannot, it just kept gathering. So technically it's not dirty at all. Just have a little few strands here. So technically this is not dirty. It don't have a lot of fuzz balls or nothing in it. That is cool. So now I'm just going to clean out the little things here.